Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on this fall makeup look. So if you want to know how to get this look, please keep watching. To prime the skin, I'm using Wet n Wild face primer with my clean fingers. And for foundation, I'm taking LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation in the shade Light 10. I know it's a little bit dark for me, but we'll make it work. And then I blend it with Beauty Sponge. And for concealer, I'm taking Tarte Shape Tape in medium. And I'm applying it as my eye base and to brighten up underneath my eyes. And also just to highlight the face. And then I'm using Beauty Sponge to blend it, and also my trusty Real Technique Deluxe Grease Brush. And right after my concealer, I'm gonna put on my trusty Milani powder. And also I set the rest of my face with Laura Mercier translucent powder with this BH Cosmetics powder brush. So for the eyes, I'm gonna use the Ring Alarm palette, and I'm gonna start off with the shade Rush, which is this beautiful orange shade, and I'm applying it on the crease with Morphe E21. And I'm gonna grab some translucent powder on Eco Tool sponge and just pack that right there under my eyes to catch fallout and to make cat eye effect. And then I'm gonna grab the shade Alert with fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna put it on the other V. And next, I'm gonna go with the shade Mugshot. It is warmed burnt orange with a Morphe M433. And I'm just gonna put it on the outer corner of the eye and then drag it to the crease. And then going back to Alert shade to make sure that there are no harsh lines. And then with the same brush, I'm dipping into the shade Frame to deepen the outer corners. And since this palette doesn't even have brow bone highlight, I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter in the shade So Hollywood. And then take the shade On Camera with Morphe M167 and grab a little MAC Fix Plus and then put it over the lid. And then I tagline my waterline and curl my lashes. And then put on mascara and then pop on false lashes. And for lower lash line, I'm gonna start off by going in with the shade Rush with the Real Technique shading brush, and I'm going to just blend that out on the entire lash. And then I'm gonna go with the shade Alert and apply it right on top brush. And to give more smuggy vibe, I'm taking Secret closely to my lower lash line with pencil brush. And again, to make sure that everything is smooth and no harsh lines, I'm using a clean fluffy brush to blend the edges. And then I went back to Secret to give more smokiness. And now I'm taking a little bit powder with my Beauty Sponge and kinda clean the edges of my lower lash line to give more cat eye vibe. And for inner corners and my brown highlight, I'm taking Anastasia So Hollywood. And I tagline my waterline with this Pixie eyeliner and then put on some mascara on my bottom lashes. And from bronzer, I'm taking this Benefit Hoola bronzer to give warmth to my face and to contour my nose. And then I'm taking Vivid Baked bronzer by Makeup Revolution to give a little glowiness to my skin. And for blush, I'm using this Flower Beauty blush in the shade Peach Primrose. This is one of my favorite blush. And to highlight my face, I'm taking this Anastasia highlighter in the shade So Hollywood that has beautiful champagne gold color and wet effects. And this is one of my favorite highlighters. You see, I'm applying it on my cheekbones, bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, on my chin, on my forehead, with this BH Cosmetic, and it's my Rare brush number 5. And for the lips, I'm taking Dose of Color collabs with Alif Sarahi liquid lipstick in the shade Aesthetic. And And to lock my brows in place, I'm taking Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. And then to set everything, I'm using my MAC Fix Plus. So yeah, I really hope you guys love this video. Let me know what you guys think, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!